In this video, let me show you how to fix BDO app not loading. So if you're having issues within the platform of BDO online banking or the mobile application, the first thing that you need to do in this situation is just try to clear out the app cache and the app data. So simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear all data. This will log you out of your account, so make sure you log in back and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, then what you can also try out is just install the application entirely. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Now while you're at it, also make sure that you turn off any sort of VPNs that you're connected to. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still facing the issue. This is likely due to the outage of the BDO platform, because BDO frequently undergoes intermittent system updates. So this is likely the case. So in this situation, just wait out a couple of minutes, even sometimes a couple of hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.